He is here.
I'm not forsaken.
I am strong.
I am unshaken.
He is here.
Arms wide open by His grace. I am chosen.
His voice roars.
I am awoken. Today I will rise up unbroken.
The righteous may stumble, then fall. By His power I get up, I will stand tall. Through every fight His voice will roar. He makes me whole, my spirit will soar. I tread through relentless storm and